In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mask transition in CapCut Desktop. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the app is ready, either create a new project or open an existing one, depending on where you are in your editing process. If you are starting fresh, make sure your footage is ready to import so you can move smoothly into the editing stage. Next, add 2 or more video clips to the timeline. Since transitions work between clips, you need at least 2 clips placed in your project. After that, position the clips directly next to each other without any gaps. This part is important because transitions are designed to connect one clip to the next, and any empty space between them can prevent the effect from working properly. Now go to the top toolbar and click on Transitions. This will open the transition library, where CapCut organizes different transition styles for you to choose from. In the left panel, click the Mask category. This section contains transitions that use creative masking effects to reveal or blend one clip into another in a more dynamic way. Take a moment to browse the available mask transitions. As you look through them, think about the style of your video and choose one that matches the pacing and mood of your edit. Once you find a transition you want to use, select it. If that transition has not been installed yet, click the download icon and wait for the download to complete. This usually only takes a moment, but it is important to let it finish before trying to apply the effect. When the transition is ready, click the plus button or simply drag the mask transition between the 2 clips on your timeline. Then wait for the transition to appear on the timeline. This confirms that CapCut has placed the effect in the correct position between your clips. After that, click the transition on the timeline to access its settings. If needed, adjust the transition duration. A shorter duration can feel quicker and more energetic, while a longer duration may create a smoother, more noticeable blend. Choose the timing that best fits your footage. Now click the play button to preview the transition. Watch carefully to see how the first clip moves into the second, and make sure the effect looks clean and natural. Finally, confirm that the mask transition has been successfully applied. If everything looks good in the preview, then your transition is in place and your edit is ready for the next step.